All right, so we're going to condense it up all the way. Now you'll see where we're going to be putting the keepers. You can see the lube there. Okay, so there's a tapered end of these keepers. Those are going to go up because they're going to go inside of the top hat, the retainer. So you'll just put one on either side. Certain springs are more difficult than other springs to get to.
So we chose an easy one.
And since we don't have the oil pan or the crank, you don't really have to worry about putting anything underneath it to catch the keepers. They will fall. It's just what happens. But if you were working with a crank in the oil pan you're going to want to have something to catch it so that it doesn't fall out and into the bottom of the motor.
This is where people learn to cuss. It's not that it's difficult, it's just they're little fiddly parts and they're hard to hold on to. That one's in. Let's see if we can put this other one in. See, that grease holds it in place. Jeez. All right, put it down.
All right. So now you're gonna let this down. And as you do, those keepers go inside of the retainer. That comes off and out of the way. And now you've got the valves and springs all back in.
Just make sure that the exhaust valves are non-magnetic and the intake valves are magnetic.
Yep.
It may work if you get them wrong, but you need to put it together correctly.